Hey, how would you like some Tiki Death Punch?
What's that?
Well, it's rum and...
Okay.
How can I do a TV show themed cocktail list without mentioning one of the best sitcoms? Come on. If you don't appreciate Friends, I feel bad for you. Because it is so good, and I'm so mad that it got taken off of Netflix onto HBO. I mean, I have to pay for another streaming line. So to ease my frustration with that, let's have a cocktail. And let's have Monica's Tiki Death Punch. Yes! So when I was looking for it, my most favorite recipe came from one of my favorite YouTube channels, which is How to Drink. Greg saved the day. If you haven't subscribed to How to Drink, what is wrong with you? Like, this guy is the encyclopedia nerd of cocktails, and he's never worked in a bar from what he said. So when he did the Tiki Death Punch, I had to try his, obviously. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do Greg's How to Drink, Monica's Tiki Death Punch. That's a really long title. Anyways, sorry. Let's get started. So this is all gonna be in a blender. I have a sad little smoothie blender, so that's what we're gonna do. Damn, sorry. I'm so aggressive. So the first thing he starts with is raspberry sherbet. I have this raspberry sherbet because I live in Manhattan, and the only one that had it was Food Emporium. He got his at ShopRite. He suggests getting the cheapest one you can find since going to cocktail. I suggest the same thing. His version is for 2 people. I'm cutting it down. So he said 2 ounces. Well, he said 4 ounces. I'm doing 2 ounces. Think that's enough? Let's do one more. Gotta clean off I'm not cleaning my work area. All right, that's enough. Alrighty, so then the next thing we are doing is 2 ounces of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then, wow, I said 2 ounces. No, that was half an ounce. Sorry, Greg. Sorry, everyone. That was half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. And then we are doing half an ounce of fresh strawberry syrup. So this strawberry syrup came from him as well. He was talking about on the channel how he did this syrup by taking weight-wise an equal amount of strawberries and equal amount of sugar. He put it in a container and left it out for a few days, and the sugar takes out all the water out of the strawberries and it makes its own syrup. So that's what I did, except I didn't weigh it because I don't have a weight. I just guesstimated. So I don't know if it's going to be as powerful as his, because he says his was pretty powerful and strawberry-y. Next time I'll try to get a weight, but this is literally just from sugar-covered strawberries in a Tupperware for 2 days. That's it. That's it. And it smells like strawberry heaven. Oh, strawberry heaven. In my cocktail, half an ounce. So he has Lemon Heart 151. I was lucky to find 151. I live in Manhattan, and I still had to go to 3 liquor stores to find 151. This is the closest thing I could find, which I'm not mad at because I do like this company. Ever tried their mango one? I got it as a birthday gift once. I want it back. I can't find it. So he does half an ounce of this deadliness. Ooh. Ooh. Deadliness. Oh, that's just trouble right there. So half an ounce of trouble. And then he has Plantation 3-star white rum. I mean, in Puerto Rican, you know what I mean? Have use what you got, you know? I want to try the plantation one because I heard very, very good reviews about the plantation, but this is what I have in the house, so we're using it. So I have 1.5 ounces of Bacardi. Whoop, here we go. And then we just add the ice. So that's it. So what I did from what he did, especially since I have a crappy ass thing like this, if he crushed his ice for his Vitamix, I think I should crush my ice for this monstrosity. So that's what I have, some crushed ice in here, but then it's melted together, so I should pretend I'm him because he went in on Ross. When he was crushing his ice in his bag, he just kept saying, I hate Ross, ah! If you're a Ross fan, I still say watch his video. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, bring over my little fun blender. Alrighty, my single girl blender. And here we go. I estimated the chorus was enough time. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. Or I can just test drive it the Rachel way. Did you see it? Did you see how that coldness come out? Ooh. Mmm. He put his, Greg, I'm talking about, in a hurricane glass. I have this, which I was going to do to show you guys. Well, I'll show you first, and then I'll show you, I think, the real way it should go in. Here we go. Look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Greg put a little garnish of a cute little strawberry on the side. The girls did not have a garnish. So I'm not going to do a garnish. I'm going to do an homage instead. Yes! Yes! You think a Friends fan doesn't have one of these? You crazy. What, are you crazy? What, are you crazy? I'll be there for you during quarantine. I think this is the perfect way to drink Monica's Tiki Death Punch. It is so freaking good. So when Greg talks about his flavor profile, he talks about he tastes mainly his strawberry syrup. My raspberry sherbet was a lot redder than his. So I definitely taste more raspberry than strawberry, which is not bad, but I have the same notes as him, which is this is dangerous. I cannot taste any alcohol at all. Nothing, nada, nothing. I got Bacardi and 151 in there, and I don't taste anything. This is perfect for my sister. I can easily trick my sister into getting drunk with this. She's the type that if she can taste even like a little of alcohol, she won't drink the drink. But put it in this, oh, I got her. I got her. Thank you, Greg. Guys, check out how to drink. This is amazing. Us mixologists have to stick together. Or mixologists, whatever. Us people who like to drink have to stick together. I literally have nothing else to say, especially before the rum kicks in, except cheers.